Porgie, look at that pond. Can you see the fish? Are you hungry? Well, you've got your fishing rod. Shall we try and catch something for lunch? That's it. Hop up on that log and let's see what we can catch. There's a prawn and a crab, but I think we should try and catch the fish. Hopefully you'll take a bite on your line. Yes! You've caught the fish. Careful though. We need to bring him to shore now without losing him. That's it, Porgie. Slowly does it. That's it. We don't want to lose him now. Yes! We've got him to shore. Oh, okay, Porgie. We don't need to wrestle with the fish. We could have just left him by the side. Right, I think he can put him down now. We got him. Well done, Porgie. That fish looks lovely and perfect for our lunch. Instead of taking the fish home, I'm so hungry. Should we eat him now? Okay, let's prepare the fish for cooking. Please, could you get the chopping board, Porgie? That's it. Great. Now we need a sharp knife. Be super careful with the knife, Porgie. Knives are very dangerous, and we need to make sure you don't hurt yourself, okay? I'll help you, Porgie. We need to fillet the fish by cutting the meat away from the bone. Great, Porgie. That looks like a great piece of fillet and the perfect size for your lunch. Okay, let's clean up and fetch our camping stove. Great, Porgie, thank you. Let's turn the stove on. Oh, but we need a pan. Could you please get our pan, Porgie? Thank you. Let's put the pan on the stove to heat up. Be careful, the stove will be hot, so we don't want to burn ourselves. Good job, Porgie. Okay, gently pop in our fish. Lovely. Once the first side is cooked for a while, let's flip it over with our spatula and cook the other side. I'll hold the pan for you, Porgie. You use the spatula. Well done, Porgie. We just need to sit back and wait until the fish is cooked all the way through. Okay, I think he's cooked. Do you think you can lift it out onto a plate? Take care, it will be very hot. You're such a good cook, Porgie. That fish looks delicious. I think you should have the first bite. Let me help you. Oh, you ate it all. I guess I'll eat something back at home. But what was it like, Porgie? Was it super tasty? It must have been. You ate the whole thing so quickly. Okay, last thing to do is tidy up all of our gear now that the pan and stove have cooled down. Thank you, Porgie. That was lots of fun, Porgie. You managed to catch and eat your own lunch all by yourself. You're so clever. I'll see you next time, Porgie. Bye. Hey, little dudes. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Some of the items featured in the video are available. Check out the links below. Bye!